Hello friends, this is Mohammed Abubakar. Welcome to my YouTube channel hdamstech. Today I am going to show you how to reset forgotten password for Windows 10. Try first attempt and second attempt and third attempt. Just turn on the PC once logo appear and turn off the PC. After third attempt, it will directly go to the automatic repair. If not possible, you can try method 2 also. You can use bootable USB drive to go to automatic repair. See, you can see here troubleshoot system image recovery Windows 10 and cancel. Next, advanced, install a driver. Okay, and open this PC and go to local disk C and Windows system 32, and here you can check here utilman, search for utilman and reset it utilman 12. And now you can refresh this one, so it will reset. Then you can search for cmd, then cmd change to utilman. Rename it to utilman, then click ok and refresh and go back. Now you can close everything. You can see here utilman and utilman 12 that we rename it. Cancel, cancel everything, close everything and continue. It will redirect to login, so you can click easy of access. So here you can type control user passwords 2. You can see here down, this is administrator. Then you can see down a reset password. Click that one, and I will not keep any password, empty. Okay, okay, and close this one and just log in. These are the simple steps to reset the password. Thank you for watching.